Hello guys, I'm Karthik SP from SCC and today I'm gonna video present universal human value and my topic is harmony in nature. So let's start. So harmony in nature. Harmony in the nature bar existence is, is basically the study of concept of ecological harmony or also known as ecological balance or equilibrium. Biodiversity is often seen as the reflection of harmony in nature. Interconnectedness, harmony in nature is also closely tied to the idea of interconnection. The impact of human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and habitat destruction. Many spiritual and physiological traditions view harmony in nature as the reflection of a larger cosmetic of metaphysical order. Art and aesthetics, harmony in nature often serves as a source of inspiration. Scientific study. Scientists study that natural systems and processes to understand how they function and how they maintain balance. Achieving harmony in nature can be challenging, especially in the face of climatic, habitat, and other environmental issues. Ecological system can also bring a balance of predators as well as prey. The decomposition of organic materials, nutrients, recycling, and other factors. Symbiosis. Many organisms have evolved naturally beneficial relationships. Nature operates through cycles like the water cycle, carbon cycle, and nitrogen cycle. Physiological perspectives, interconnectedness, like Buddhism and Taoism, emphasize the interdependence of all life forms and elements of nature. Nature as a teacher philosopher like Ralph Waldo Emerson and Henry David Thoreau uh, believed that nature teaches us about the essence of existence and guide humans to live for more harmoniously. Beauty in diversity is another aesthetic perspective, shows a variety of landscape, organisms, and phenomena. Artists and architecture often emulate the harmony found in nature as well as beauty, unity, evoke balance, works together with culture and spiritual perspectives, cosmetic harmony, perspective of all life in cosmic harmony, indigenous cultures, nature in is as seen as a reflection of large cosmetic balance, whereas in respective of all life, often emphasizes deep respect for all of the forms of life, seeing divinity in nature. Practical perspective, sustainable living, uh, live in harmony with nature involves using resource wisely, respecting biodiversity and minimizing our ecological footprint. Regenerative practices, instead of just taking from nature, many cultures and modern sustainability practices focus on giving back and ensuring that the ecosystems are can generative. Interconnectedness, food webs and trophic levels. Food levels and trophic levels, mutualistics, predator prey, decompositions, environmental factors, migration and dispersal, invasion species. Organisms are connected together through food chains and food webs. Many species engage in mutualism relationships where both parties benefit. Predators and prey are interconnectedness. Decomposition such as bacteria, fungi also plays a crucial role in breaking down dead organic matter. Environmental factors like climate, weather patterns, and geological features all affect ecosystem and the species within them. Migration and dispersal, many species migrate or disperse to different tissues during their life cycles. Invasion species or introduction of non-native species to an ecosystem and can disrupt the natural balance and harm native species. Human interconnectedness in nature. Human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and climatic change can disrupt the interconnectedness of ecosystems and lead to ecological imbalance. Resilience interconnected ecosystem often exhibits resilience, the ability to absorb disturbance and maintain the structure and function. Ecological and physiological impact, understanding interconnectedness in nature has ethical implementations in underscores the importance of respecting all forms and ecosystems. Homeostasis to entire ecosystem exhibit hemostasis, which is the ability to maintain stable interconditions despite external fluctuations. Interconnectedness in nature, population control, nutrient cycling, disturbance response, succession, biodiversity feedback. Ecosystem also have mechanism to control the population of various species. Nutrient cycling is a self-regulation mechanism where essential elements like carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus are continually recycled within the ecosystems. Disturbance responses, natural systems are adapted to respond to disturbance such as wildfires, hurricanes, or disease outbreaks. Successions, successions in the process by which ecosystem can change or develop over time. Biodiversity itself can be seen as a form of self-regulation. Feedback loops, both positive as well as negative, plays a role in self-regulation. Interconnectedness in nature, resource allocation, symbiotic relationships, as well as climatic regulations. Many species have evolved strategies for allocating resources such as energy, nutrients, and space. Symbolic relationships such as mutual relations where species benefit each other can be considered as self-regulated. Climate regulations such as natural systems help regulate climatic but by absorbing and storing carbon dioxide, releasing oxygen and influential local temperature and precipitation patterns. Interconnectedness in nature, symbiotic relationships such as mutualism, communalism, parasitism, as well as the resource cycling, predator prey, decomposers. Both parties benefit, one species benefit and the other is neither harmed nor helped. Parasitism, one organism benefits at the expense of another, but the balance in nature ensures that parasites don't typically wipe out their host, allowing to be continued. Resource cycling, plants produce oxygen and take in carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, benefits animals. Predators help control prey population, ensuring that they do not overconsume resources. Wild decomposers like fungi, bacteria benefit from breaking down dead, dead organic materials, plays an essential role in breaking and vital nutrients to the soil, benefiting plants. Interconnectedness in nature, seed dispersal, microbiomes, niche specializations, ecosystem engineers, co-evolutions, animals that eat fruit and only gain nutrition but also aid in feed disposal, including humans, have a symbiotic relationship with microbiomes. Different species often specialize in various ecological niches, reducing direct competitions and allowing multiple species to coexist and fulfill different roles within ecosystem. Some species behaviors like modify their environment in which they benefit both themselves and other species. Coevolution, some species evolve in tandem due to their mutual interaction. Interconnectedness in nature, culture and spiritual significance. Many human cultures also hold the belief that in a sacred balance in nature where the every creature and element has a role in maintaining harmony. Order of nature, scientific level, physiological and metaphysics, ethics and morality, theological and religion, environmentalism. Uh, Identifying numerous natural laws and principles that describe the behavior of physical, chemical, and biological systems. Philosophers have long pondering the idea of order of nature in the context of metaphysics and emphysology. Order of the concept of nature has also been involved in ethical and moral discussions. Theological and religion, many religious traditions incorporate the concept of order of nature and their beliefs. Environmentalism, in the context of environmentalism and conservation, the concept of order of nature is often invoked to argue for the protection of ecosystem and preservation of biodiversity. Order of nature, interconnectedness, holistic physiology, ecological and environmental ethics, spiritual and mindfulness, social and human relationships. In realms of physics and biology, scientists have discovered numerous examples of interconnected systems. The idea aligns with the holism, a perspective that considers the whole as greater than the sum of its parts. Recognizing existence as coexistence have significant implications for environmental ethics. Many spiritual and mindfulness traditions such as Buddhism, Taoism, and indigenous belief systems emphasizes the interconnectedness of all beings and universe. Social and human relationships the concept can also be applied to human relationship with societies. The holistic perspectives of humans in existence, interconnectedness, balance and unity, wholeness, spiritual and ethical implementations, ecological awareness, Eastern physiology, physiophysis, as the part of perspective in the belief that everything in the universe is controlled. Harmony is seen as the natural state of universe where environment is in balance and unity. Wholeness, the holistic perspective emphasizes the concept of wholeness, where the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Many spiritual and ethical traditions draw upon that perception of harmony to guide human behavior. Ecological awareness, the perspective have important implementations for environmentalism and conservation of natural resources. Some Eastern physiologists and religions such as Taoism, Buddhism embrace the holistic perception of harmony. The holistic perception of harmony in existence. System thinking is the realm of science and systems of thinking its perspectives. It's applied in understanding complex systems such as ecosystem, economics, and society. So that is the end of the slide. Thank you. Have a nice day.